In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily save links to websites in Google Keep 5 minutes. If you ever find great articles, docs, or shopping pages and wish you could save them in one click, this process will make it effortless. We'll use the official Save to Google Keep extension so your links land directly in your Keep Notes and stay synced across your devices. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Save to Google Keep. Look for the extension published by Google, then select Add to Chrome and confirm Add Extension. If you use a Chromium-based browser like Microsoft Edge, the steps are nearly identical. You may be asked to sign in, use the same Google account you use for Keep. Once it's installed, pin the extension so it's easy to reach. Click the puzzle piece extensions icon in the toolbar, find Save to Google Keep, and tap the pin icon. You can drag it to a spot you like on the toolbar. Pinning keeps it one click away anytime you want to capture a page. Now open any website you're interested in saving, maybe a tutorial, a recipe, or a product page. The extension captures the page title and URL automatically. Tip: if you highlight a bit of text on the page before saving, that selection will be included in your note, which is great for quotes or key points. Click the Google Keep extension icon. A small panel appears showing the page information. Type a short note or context like why you saved it or what to do next. Adding a few keywords here makes the note easier to find later. When your note looks good, click Create Note. That instantly stores the link in Google Keep along with the title and any highlighted text. Don't worry if you forget a detail. You can always edit the note later. To review what you saved, open keep@keep.google.com or in the mobile app. You'll see the new note with the page link. Click it to jump back to the site. From here, you can add labels, change colors, or pin the note to the top for quick access. If you rely on reminders, set one so you'll revisit the page at the right time. And that's it. Install and pin the extension, open a page, click the icon, add context, and create the note. Simple, fast, and reliable. Try it a few times and you'll build a tidy library of links you can search from anywhere.